Welcome to my cooking show. Today, I will create a dish that is very healthy and convenient on your budget plan. And it is a dish that is less than 700 calories. And this dish is the Preheat chicken garlic created by me. So here are the ingredients for this dish. First is 15 to 20 cloves of garlic. String beans, mix carrots and cabbage, 2 eggs, 1 cup of mushrooms, 4 cups of chicken stock, 4 cups of cornstarch, 1 the all-purpose cream, brined chicken breast, and if you want, you can include other parts of the chicken. So what is brining? It is a process of soaking meat in a brine or heavily salted water before cooking. Here are the procedures in cooking. So for our first step, gently drain the brined chicken in the strainer. So for the second step, it is called dredging. So what is dredging? So dredging is to coat the moist food into the dry ingredients before cooking to provide an even coating. So as can you see, I am coating the chicken into the egg first and then into the cornstarch. So make sure that the chicken is heavily coated with cornstarch. Repeat this process into the other cuts until you're done. Just make sure that all the parts are covered with dry ingredients. For our third step is preheating the pan. Make sure that the pan is preheated in a medium heat. So after preheating the pan, our fourth step is to put an oil in the pan. Make sure that the oil is hot before going to the next step. So for our fifth step, put the heavily coated dredged chicken in the pan. Cook the side of each chicken for 15 to 30 minutes and make sure that it is cooked before flipping the chicken. So for our sixth step, remove the chicken from the pan and make sure that it is cooked. Using the same pan for the seventh step, just remove the excess oil and proceed to the eighth step. So for the eighth step, just clarify the butter in the pan. So that is clarify. Clarify is just melting the fat or simply the butter to the pan. Ninth step step is to put the minced onion in the pan. So what is mincing? It is the process of cutting or dividing the food in an equal manner. Before doing the next step, make sure that the onions are transparent or translucent before doing the next step. So for our 10th step, put the minced garlic on the pan together with our translucent onion and saute them thoroughly. So what is sauteing? Sauteing is the step for our 11th step, which is cooking the onion and garlic in a low or medium heat. For our 12th step, put the string beans on the pan and make sure that it is mixed properly. So for our 13th step, put the chicken stock in the pan and cover it for 15 to 20 minutes until it boils. So after it boils, let's proceed to our 14th step, which is putting the mushroom to the pan. Our 15th step is putting the mixture of cloves and cabbage to the pan. For our 16th step, put a glass of water in the pan. Seventeenth step is slicing the egg on the pan. So slicing is thickening the mixture. 18th step is slicing the all-purpose cream together with our mixture to thickening the sauce. 19th step is to add the salt in the pan. And for 20th step, put the pepper. Let the ingredients simmer for 5 to 10 minutes after going to the next step. So for our 21st step, put the fried chicken back on our sauce mixture. For our 22nd step, or the last step, let's put a fresh basil in our dish. So here are our finished product. Thank you everyone for watching my cooking show, and I hope you like my dish.